I would recommend SE Landscapes to everybody, and I already have. Start to finish, they were just great. They are completely trustworthy, they care about what they do, their attention to detail, even right down to the mitre joins on my patio. I'd had a previous bad experience on a driveway. The company left me with an awful driveway and I was in tears. I got in touch with SE Landscapes. They came, they sorted out my driveway and it looked amazing afterwards, and I was just so thankful. I was buying this house, I called him up straight away and said, I'd like some more work done from you. There was nothing, it was just, I knew what I wanted and I just needed someone to help me put it together. I've got a wonderful outdoor kitchen that I can cook outside in. I love the fact that my grandchildren can come around and play on the artificial grass without getting muddy, and it's all safe for them to play in. Yeah, I just want to be out there all the time. They were a pleasure to work with, always punctual, always on time. They worked really hard. They was happy, cheerful, always asked me about if I had any concerns, even gave me ideas of what about maybe a water feature or something like that, and then we incorporated it. The advice I would give to anyone considering to use SE Landscapes is just go for it. They make the whole process pain-free, they care about what they do, they're always punctual for work, they work hard, and they're just really friendly as well. I can't fault them at all.